In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a campaign budget in Google Ads. So on your google.com, just search for Google Ads and then click this Create Google Ads Campaign, and then once you're on the Google Ads page, click the Start Now button and it will redirect you to a page where you'll need to set up your first campaign, or if you have a existing campaign, just simply input the data in here. So since it's my first time setting up a campaign in here in Google Ads, I'll input my business information in here. And then once you're done, just simply click the next button and it will redirect you to setting up a budget for your campaign. First, set a bid. Then you can check the set a target cost per action. And after that, just simply click the next button also. And now you'll need to set for your budget in here. Remember, your daily budget determines the average amount Google Ads will try to spend per day. However, actual spend may vary on individual days, but it won't exceed your monthly budget cap. For example, is daily budget times 30.4 per days. And once you're done, just simply click the next and it will proceed you to the payment procedure. And that's it. That's how to set a campaign budget in Google Ads. I hope this guide helps you optimize your ad spend. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.